Every time that
Hey guys, so I just got out the shower. I had some turkey bacon, I thought it was my tea. Just got out the shower. I'm about to get ready to unpackage the wig that I always wear. I had a lot of requests about this wig to the point where I was thinking about reaching out to the company and like trying to get a bulk of them and like sell them. But I don't know, that kind of went out the window. I don't know why. It's a good idea. But so yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how I style it with the bang and all that shit. Show you the brand, show you all that. So guess I should go in the bathroom. I lied. I'm gonna do my makeup first because I'm trying to get cute. I look crazy. It's been 2-3 weeks since I've been cute. Yeah. So let's do the makeup and all that, and then I'll come back. I don't even remember if I know how to do my makeup anymore. Still putting on my makeup, I look crazy. But cheers. Cheers to the weekend. Everybody's blessed to be alive right now. Cheers to the weekend. Ooh, ah. I don't know how the fuck y'all do tequila, cause no.
come talk to me. What's the problem, girl? You can be riding next to me. Just name a time and place. Life is passing by us like the trees. When I see you in my dreams, with the top down, feel the breeze. When I pull you next to me, you're all I want.